Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be looking at this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. As you can see, it's got a gorgeous stance, beautiful color combination. It's also got some great options under the hood. Now if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@SMT Classics. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Mustang. Then I'll get it around and get it on the lift so you can look at it there, and then we'll get it out on the highway. Now as you look down the side, you'll see that they're straight as an arrow. Everything lines up beautifully from the front to the back, and it really makes this red pop on this car. This is a factory Rangoon red car, but it's since been updated in the base coat clear coat paint scheme. It's also been upgraded with the scoop on the hood, along with the white stripes and the white GT350 stripes down the side. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a close look on the inside. You can see this car does have the bucket seats and console in it. You'll see the nice added touch of the Shelby steering wheel, along with the wood grain accents on both sides. As you can see from the condition of the seat covers, it appears that most of this interior was replaced whenever they've done the restoration. You'll also notice that the carpet and headliner is in great condition, and that your rear lights are working as they should as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You'll notice that door closes with ease and has a great fit as well. We'll also take the opportunity to look down the sides one more time. Now you can see that the bumpers have been replaced on this car, along with the taillight bezels and some of the emblems as well. As we move on around the passenger side, we'll take a closer look at this base coat clear coat paint job. We took the time to buff and polish it to this gorgeous shine you see here. It'll also give you a chance to look at the side trim and glass in this car. Now one of the things I love the most is this stance on it. We've got the 20s in the back and the 18s in the front, and that's a custom set of billet specialty wheels. Now more than just looks, this Mustang has a lot to offer under the hood as well. I'll pop it and you can come up and take a look. It's got the 289 engine in it, but as you can see, you've got the AC along with power steering. You've also got power brakes with disc on the front. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Mustang, I'll get it pulled around there and get it up on the lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom of it. If you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Mustang around there, up on the lift, and then we'll get it out on the highway so you can hear it and see it run. Now that we've got this Mustang in the air, we can get a better feel for how awesome of a car it truly is. As we make our way underneath it, you'll notice the frame and floors are in excellent condition, with the floor pans having been replaced. Under the front, you can see the suspension all looks great and that the ball joints and bushings have been changed. This 65 model 289 is mated to the C4 trans that goes back to the 8-inch rear end with around a 300 gear. For exhaust, we've got the dual pipes and Flowmaster style mufflers that flow back from the manifolds. Before we get this Mustang out on the road though, let's make sure and take the time to closely look at the awesome job done installing the pans and notice how solid the rockers and frame appear to be as well.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.